So I am Jarvil Vicortez, and this is the code for the activity, final activity 5, lesson 27, infrared receiver. So first we have the library. This will include the IR library. Next we have this will tells the Arduino that the IR receiver is connected to pin 7. Next we have the setup. So this right here will start the serial monitor, so you can see the output on your computer. This will print the message. This will start the IR receiver on pin 7. It disable the built-in LED feedback. So next we have the void loop. So this if statement right here, so it checks if a signal from the remote was received. So this one right here will print the raw IR signal value in hexadecimal format. This one right here will cause the function to identify and print the button name. This right here will gets ready to receive the next signal. So next we have the void translate IR. So this one right here. So this is the translate IR function. So this function checks the raw IR code and matches it with a non-remote control button. So each case represent a button. So if it doesn't match any known button, it prints other button. So then lastly we have the delay, waits half a second before accepting the next input. So that's all.